Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. We finally have the last two parts that I need to put inside of my PC. Forget peripherals, they aren't gonna stop my PC from actually booting and posting and whatnot. But we have two packages here, one, two, each one for a different video. I'm gonna go with this package first because this was the one that was actually supposed to be arriving today. The other one was actually, well, there wasn't an arrive date for it. So we do have this one. It's also the heaviest. I just want to give a massive shout out to two of my mates, Lewis, as you know him, Candy Monster Gaming, and Sam from uni, who came around yesterday, and we built the majority of my PC, barring these three items. Right on top of the box, we can see some Corsair Vengeance LED DDR4, 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes RAM. At 300 megahertz. So this stuff is awesome. This stuff is really cool. LED RAM though. What are you saying? So stunning LED lighting, bold color accents and superior overclocking. Oh, aren't they just really beefy? Like, god damn. They are big sticks of RAM. This is probably the heaviest stick of RAM I've ever held. Vengeance LED. I'm assuming that the LEDs are here and here, next to the Corsair branding. So we've got two of these bad boys to total 32 gigabytes of RAM, which is more than enough. So instead of getting 4 sticks of 8, 2 sticks of 16 means that I will still have 2 slots free in order to upgrade my RAM if I should ever want to. Okay, next box being this one. This was inside the bigger box with the RAM laid on top. We have a Seagate 2TB HDD. Let's have a look. Nice, big, beefy hard drive from Seagate. A whole 2 terabytes of it. It's the Barracuda Compute line of HDDs that they do. So this is going to be where I'm storing the majority of my stuff. And naturally, if I want to add more storage, which I already do have a 500 gigabyte old hard drive that I found. That's already in my PC. I have technically 2.5 terabytes, which is very nice. So that's it. That was everything out of this box anyway. This one was in there. Both of these items came from Amazon. With the Corsair Vengeance LED RAM setting me back £243, which is not bad considering it's DDR4 and the fact that they are stopping manufacturing DDR3. That's going to be rising in price. As for the Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte hard drive, $59.99. So 2 awesome packages from Amazon that got delivered today. That leaves one item left to be opened up to then be put into my PC to have the complete build finished. Join me in the next video for that one. I hope you've been enjoying this journey with me so far. Let me know down in the comments if you have been. You can do that by giving me a thumbs up on this video, sharing the video, and even subscribing to me if you feel inclined to do so. I've been Ash Basher, you've been YouTube. Beautiful, fantastic as always. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.